They're not stuffed at all.
Kareena gave fans a sneak peek of her binge with her sister Karishma. The two feasted on a variety of items including neat dosa, chicken curry and chocolate cake. 10 seconds later, they collapsed into a food coma on the couch. In the video shared by Kareena Kapur on Instagram Reels, she is dressed comfortably in a blue kaftan, while Karishma wore a black t-shirt and olive green sweatpants. What I mean when I say Lolo and I had a productive weekend. Fans showered love on the Kapoor sisters, calling them the cutest beauties, queens, national heartthrobs, and flooding the comment section with heart and heart eyes emojis. One found it unbelievable that Kareena and Karishma were enjoying a cheat meal. Another said that they were so relatable. Earlier in the day, Karishma dedicated a sweet Instagram post to Kareena on the dual occasion of Friendship Day and Sisters Day. Karishma shared a throwback picture in which Kareena appeared to be giving her a brand new hairdo and wrote, "Always at it together, sisters, making hard times easier and easy times more fun. Hashtag Happy Friendship Day."
Yeah. Right. They're having their own session there. They're not stuffed at all. ये वाला ना